All right, so there we go. So like I said, kind of a special day for me here. This was would have been my Uncle Charlie's 66th birthday. We lost him some time back, and we miss him. But, you know, if I ever knew anybody that kind of personified the Gulf Coast life, it was Charlie. He loved sailing, he loved diving. He was like a big brother to me, and you know, we miss him. So I want to sing this next few songs for him. And of course, I want the cable on the 4th fret so I can put it in the right key. Gotta read my notes. There we go. Alright, so anyway, you said, Charlie, this one's for you. Another dollar on the wall, another poet with a pen, another beach ball with a dog, another stranger sailing in waters just as blue. No, you haven't missed a thing, but we're all here missing you. All the pirates and the parrots sing adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. And we'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. The sun goes down, we'll raise our drinks. The pirates and the parrots sing, oh, raise the bridge, the drifters come through. There's a golden stretch of beach, it's waiting there on you. Is the water just as blue? You want to hear about everything, but we're all missing you. All the pirates and the parrots sing adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we'll raise our drinks. The pirates and the parrots sing, oh, soon but left the sun, passed the torch to carry on. As long as people sing along, you'll live on and on and on. So adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we'll raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing